We're aware of Russia's actions for a long time, and my expectation is we're going to have a long discussion with Putin.
This is the most critical call of the Biden presidency so far, facing growing alarm that Russia could invade Ukraine. In just a few hours, President Biden is going to sit down here in the Situation Room and put Russian President Putin on notice. President Biden is set to deliver a blunt message to Russian President Putin: invade Ukraine and there will be consequences. In a virtual face-to-face, Biden will detail the potential punishment: harsh economic sanctions meant to impose severe pain on the Russian economy and possibly cutting off Russia from the international financial system.
On financial sanctions, we've consulted significantly with our allies and believe we have a path forward that would impose significant and severe harm on the Russian economy.
A senior administration official even leaving open the possibility that more U.S. forces could be deployed to the region, saying in the event of an invasion, the need to reinforce the confidence and reassurance of our NATO allies and our Eastern Flank allies would be real, and the United States would be prepared to provide that kind of reassurance. Russian troops stand at the ready near the Ukrainian border, by some estimates up to 100,000. Overnight, CIA Director William Burns saying it's not clear if Putin has decided to invade or if he's just bluffing to get the world's attention, as he demands that Ukraine not be allowed to join NATO.
We don't know that Putin has made up his mind to use force, but what we do know is that he's putting the Russian military, the Russian security services in a place where they could act in a pretty sweeping way.
Health officials are concerned. COVID cases are rising, and they're still following the spread of this new Omicron variant. Here in New York City, as the holidays approach, officials making the bold move, mandating vaccines, as the CDC says, get a rapid test before that holiday gathering.
The Centers for Disease Control now urging people to use rapid tests ahead of indoor gatherings, even if you're vaccinated and not showing any symptoms. In new guidance, the CDC says consider using a self-test before joining indoor gatherings with others who are not in your household. This as New York City cracks down with a vaccine mandate for all private sector employees and new restrictions for children. The Big Apple requiring vaccine proof for indoor dining, fitness, and entertainment for children 5 to 11 starting December 14, adding that kids 5 to 11 will also have to be vaccinated to participate in high-risk activities, including sports, band, and dance. For those 12 and up, indoor activities will now require 2 vaccine doses.
That's why I describe the actions we're taking today as a preemptive strike. Get ahead of this problem before it deepens and use the thing that works: vaccination.
This as pediatric infection rates surge. Last week's data revealing 133,000 children across the country tested positive for COVID-19, accounting for a quarter of the weekly COVID cases.